naman sa ating vlog na Living Well UK. Ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo ang aking hardinan dito sa UK. Ang tawag namin dito, allotment. Halika kayo, tignan natin. Pakita ko sa iyo kung ano ang tinanim ko. So, June ngayon, first week ng June. Umpisahan natin sa patatas. Ito ang ating patatas. Yung maliliit pa kasi katatanim pa lang June. I-update ko kayo later on. Ito naman yung herb. Ito namumulaklak. Yung herb natin is thyme. Magandang pang English food na casserole, mga ganun. So, ito ang ating sweet peas. Monstru ang tawag yata ng French. So, eto, nilagyan ko ng netting kasi kinakain ng ibon. Kaya, so kailangan ko itali doon. Kasi nag-cling on na dito sa net. So, ayan. It's looking good. They are very healthy. I'm quite happy with that. So, ngayon, ito naman. So, this one is tomatoes. They are tomato. Ang tawag nila Alicante. Katatanim ko lang. Usually, actually, here in the UK, dapat sakwan sa greenhouse, pero actually this tomato I can plant it outside. I did it last year and it did very well, so I'm doing it again, and I'm hoping we're gonna have some more tomato for our pasta later on in the year. So I'm gonna show you this one. This is my first time to plant Swiss chard. Hindi ko pa nasubukang kinain yan, parang petchay sa atin. It looks good, looking happy. What else? So let's go and have a look at the beans. Right, this one is our climbing French bean. Getting ready to be tied into the cane. Looking good. So I'm gonna be giving a feed this week. It looks like it's getting ready for a feed. So parang French bean yan, na yung parang bagyo beans sa atin, pero climbing siya. So ito naman ang ating runner beans. Ang tawag nila dito is Scarlet Emperor. So this one is different to that one because it's flat, very long na ang bunga niya, na flat siya. Pwedeng pang pakbet, pwede rin yun, but I think that one is more tender than the runner beans. The French bean is more tender. Okay, so this one is asparagus. It's finished now. Ang pag-harvest naman ng asparagus is spring, pag wala pa itong mga dahon. Pag nagdahon na, hindi na pwede. Yung new shoots lang ang nakakain. That's finished now. Wait na naman tayo sa spring yan. Ito naman ang ating cut flower bed. This is our cut flower bed. So ang mga dahlia left here in the ground because they've been coming back. But at the moment, it looks like those that are in this side did not survive the frost. So maybe we can dig that one and put it in the middle because they grow really big. So we can distance them. This one, the gladioli. They are very nice for cut flower later on in the summer. Actually, they're late flowering together with the dahlias. And what else have we got here? So this one is the what do you call this one now? Crocosmia Lucifer. And I've got some zinnias here. Digitalis, look, it's really nice.
And behind you,
they're very
geranium
good.
starting
This
to flower.
one is blue blue geranium, blue Johnson geranium. It comes in a blaze of glory and then just goes. It really is beautiful because they flower all at the same time. Now this is iris. It's looking nearly finished. Beautiful bearded iris, or a bit like a woodland, that one. So this one is Rudbeckia goldstrom. It flowers later on in autumn. Not autumn, late summer flowering. What do you call that? Lysimachia. And this one is hukra. That's the mud. Right. It needs trimming. So our iris. Oh, what else have we got here too? Oh, the allium. Allium are looking good as well. Aquilegia. These are the irises. This is my favorite actually. So the white one, we've got all different colors, blue or purple, violet, whatever you call it. Peach one there called party dress. It just needs dead heading. Take all the dead flower off to encourage all these little buds to open up. And also it looks neater. Oh, look at that. What have I done?
I think it's best to leave it alone. That's not deadheading, that's live heading.
Right, and what we got here? Sweet William. These are beautiful. A very generous sweet flower. Next, strawberry. Can't have an allotment without strawberry. So we have some fruit coming through. We got loads. Gonna be making some jam. We have again to put netting because the birds eat them. Oh, look at that. There's some more nearly ready. This one I have to put some protection for this corn because there might be some threat of frost. Be ready for taking off this netting soon. It's a little bit rip off now. And that's it, I think. That's it for our allotment tour.